Dear friends, today we will be starting the history of Punjab. In my earlier lecture, I have also done the history of Punjab up till Maharaja Ranjit Singh. And today we will be doing history of Punjab right from the time of Maharaja Ranjit Singh till 1947. Maharaja Ranjit Singh, whom we call Sher-e-Punjab. He was born in 1780 at Gujranwala in West Punjab, Pakistan. His father's name was Mahan Singh. His grandfather's name was Chadat Singh. His missal's name was Shukar Chakya. Apart from Shukar Chakya missal, there were 11 more missals. Most of the time, these missildars, they were fighting with each other. Towards the end of the 19th century, his father died and Maharaja Ranjit Singh became the missildar of his missal, that is Shukar Chakya missal. He annexed Lahore, annexed Amritsar from one of the very important missals, that is Bhangi missal. Then he was coronated and he assumed the title of Maharaja. It was in 1809 he signed the Treaty of Amritsar. This Treaty of Amritsar draws the line between the Britishers and Maharaja Ranjit Singh. And Satluj was made the boundary line between these two empires. Maharaja Ranjit Singh annexed the large areas like Multan, Sindh, then Kashmir, Kangra. Few of his journals even reached up till Afghanistan, Kabul, Kandahar. He converted his small missal into a huge empire, the Sikh Empire. People used to call him Sarkar. And he was a secular king. He had two capitals. One capital was his political capital, that is at Lahore. And the second was at Amritsar, his spiritual capital. During his time, the Kohinoor diamond, which was taken away by a Muslim invader Nadir Shah, was taken back. And Maharaja Ranjit Singh died in 1839. After his death, his eldest son Khadak Singh became the Maharaja. After Khadak Singh, then Naunihal Singh, after Naunihal Singh, then Sher Singh, then after Sher Singh, for some time, the Chand Kaura, and finally it was Rani Jinda. She became the de facto ruler because her minor son Dalip Singh was made the Maharaja. Some political developments were there in Punjab which led to the first Anglo-Sikh War, 1845-46. In this first Anglo-Sikh War, various battles were fought. In one of the battles at Sabhaun, Sikhs fought bravely. They were about to win the battle. But few traitors prayed a treachery. And that is why Sikhs lost on this battle. A contemporary poet, Shah Muhammad, spoke some few lines in Punjabi, that is, ਅੱਜ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਤੇ ਮੁੱਲ ਪਾਵੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਖਾਲਸੇ ਨੇ ਤੇਗਾਂ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ਾਹ ਮੁਹੰਮਦ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵਾਜੋਂ ਫੌਜਾਂ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਅੰਤ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ The force is lost just because their Sarkar means Maharaja Ranjit Singh is not present. It led to the signing of the Treaty of Lahore 1845-46. And the two treaties in Punjab are very important. The first I have already told you, the Treaty of Amritsar, and the second is Treaty of Lahore 1846. And this treaty was a humiliating treaty for the Sikhs. And it was the main cause for the Second Anglo-Sikh War. It was in 1848-49. The Second Anglo-Sikh War took place. Various battles were fought. Sikhs fought bravely. Earlier, during the course of the time, the Viceroy was Lord Hardinge. Then later on it was Lord Dalhousie. Finally, Sikhs lost, and on 29th March 1849, they captured the Lahore. Maharaja Dalip Singh, who was minor, he was sent to London for the higher studies. Punjab was made a chief commissioner area, and various demarcations were made. During this period, the two brothers, they were known as Lawrence brothers, made a lot of developments in Punjab. It was a period, the middle of the 19th century, when the Mughal Empire was just about to decline. There were no leaders among the Sikhs. In Punjab, some socio-religious reform movements taken place. And that is why Radha Swami Satsang, Nirankaris, and Namdhari sects were there within the Sikhism. Towards the last quarter of the 19th century, Singh Sabha movements were started, and the major role was played by Bhai Veer Singh, the great poet of the Punjabi literature. From the end of the 19th century, various morchas were launched under the Akali movement to liberate the holy Sikh shrines from the corrupt mahants. The important morchas were the Nankana Sahib Morcha, Guru Ka Bagh Morcha, and Jaitunda Morcha. And finally, Sikhs succeeded in taking back the keys of the holy Sikh shrines. A person played a very important role in liberating the holy Sikh shrines. That was Baba Khadak Singh, who is known as the uncrowned king of Punjab, Bitaj Badshah. In 1920, SGPC was formed. In 1922, the first Sikh Gurdwara Act was passed. And 1925, the second Sikh Gurdwara Act was passed. It was under the second Sikh Gurdwara Act, the present day SGPC functioned. That is why SGPC, Shirmani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, is formally formed in 1925. At that time, its first president was Bhai Kirpal Singh. The main function of the SGPC is to manage the holy historical Sikh shrines in Punjab. It is called the mini parliament of the Sikhs. It is located at Harmandir Sahib, Amritsar, in Teja Singh Samundri Hall building. It was a period when Sikhs gave lot of sacrifices. It was in Punjab. The various revolutionary movements were launched. For example, by Ajit Singh, a peasant come revolutionary movement was started towards the beginning of the 20th century, that is Pagdi Sambhal Jatta or Pagdi Sambhal Jatta. Then later on, it was a Ghadar movement which played a very important role in Punjab. One young boy, Kartar Singh Sarabha, wanted to bring the Ghadar or mutiny in Punjab, but he was caught because a treachery was played by some of the traitors. Then in the beginning of 1920s, it was Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh played a very important role as a revolutionary, not in Punjab, rather in the entire history of India, entire history of the freedom struggle of India. Without discussing Bhagat Singh, the India's history of freedom struggle is incomplete. In 1928, he along with his associates killed firstly Mr. Saunders at Lahore, who was responsible for killing Lala Lajpat Rai, Punjab Kesari. In 1929, Bhagat Singh threw the bomb in the Legislative Assembly where the Public Safety Bill was to be passed. Finally, he was tried under the Lahore Conspiracy Case 1929. He was tried, and while in jail, Bhagat Singh raised the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad. On 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh along with his associates was hanged till death. A great revolutionary of Punjab.